how to turn on camera in laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So to open up camera on a laptop, you'll need to give permission through your settings. Let's dive right in. Go to the search option and then search for settings. Open it up, and then you will see various options on the left hand side. Go to apps. Now go to installed apps, and then on the search bar, search for camera and then tap on the three dots and go to advanced options, and here under app permissions toggle on camera. So that's it. This is how you turn on camera on your laptop. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.